Product quality is an eternal theme in Tongsan and Hegu Company. In the wave of trade globalization, our company will continue to integrate with the world market with excellent quality, perfect service, and meet the challenges actively. In this rapidly changing era, how to distinguish an excellent company? With the strict production management and strict procurement system, Tongsan and Hegu have established advanced equipment and strict quality system. We are ISO 9001-2000 certificated company and have acquired export license. Our integrates employees with responsibility, service, continuous improvement, and shared corporate value. These values are the foundation of the company. Tongsan and Hegu Company fundamental, functioning, performance, and perspectiveness reflect how excellent we are. At the same time, customers have been recognized and endorsed. Main products of Qingdao Tongsan Plastic Machinery: single-wall corrugated pipe production line, double-wall corrugated pipe production line, plastic pipe production line, plastic sheet board production line, PP hollow corrugated sheet production line, and auxiliary machine. Main products of Qingdao Hegu Wood Plastic Machinery: PE WPC Profile Production Line and Auxiliary Machine, PVC WPC Profile Production Line and Auxiliary Machine, PVC WPC Door Panel Production Line and Auxiliary Machine, PVC WPC Foam Board Production Line and Auxiliary Machine. In order to provide the better experience for customer, we have single, double-wall corrugated pipe machine, plastic pipe machine, plastic sheet, board machine, PP hollow corrugated sheet machine, PE WPC profile machine, PVC WPC profile machine, PVC WPC door panel machine, and PVC foam board machine in stock now. Warmly welcome customers. Come to visit our factory at any time. We will test and run machine for customer for free.